In this video, we are going to see an amazing function of setting the custom views in Excel, and that's very effective, especially if you have a long information which is adjusted in 2 pages. Let's say in this example, we have adjusted this payroll sheet within 2 pages. And for that, if we go back, we have adjusted a lot of column sizes. If we go to the view and click on the normal view, not only we have adjusted the column sizes for each, we have hidden some columns as well. But let's say that for the next month, we want to prepare and finalize the payroll. So what we will do is, obviously we will open or unhide all of the columns, and we might adjust the size for it as well. Let's say this one is for me. If you want to do this for, let's say June, payroll June, we might need to open all of these columns in order to adjust it according to the June. So what we can do is just hold all of the columns, select all the columns, and just right click and click on unhide. So we can see many columns are open, and now we can adjust the pay start date from May to June. End date is 30th June, and we can adjust all of the time periods as well. And not only that, if we want to work conveniently on this sheet, we might select all of this data and double click to auto adjust as well. But here's the problem. When we finalize this payroll sheet for the next month, and let's say then we want to print it, we have to do all of the stuff that we adjusted. We have hidden some columns, we have adjusted the column size. We have to do it all over again. So do we have a quick solution for that? Yes, we do. What we will do is just go to the view option and click on custom views. Here we can manage the current view as a custom view. So what we'll do is, let's reverse the steps. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. And we have this as a view. So let's go to the view tab, click on custom views, and let's add this as a view. Let's make it printable view. So it will keep the record of all of the current settings. We are in the page break preview. We have adjusted the column sizes, bring all of the columns closer. We have hidden some columns and all. So hidden rows, columns, and filter settings all will be done. Click OK. And let's say if we go back, click on the normal view, and let's unhide all the columns. Select all of this, right click and click unhide. Let's say now we want to work on the next month, and finally we have completed the salary for the June. If we want to quickly print this, we go to the file menu, and if we check the print, it's going on 4 pages, and the problem is similar to what we have seen before. The information is getting breaked into different pages. We don't want that. So what we do is just go to the view, click on custom view, and select the printable view. Just click on show and see the magic. Show, and not only all the columns are hidden, but it is back to the page break preview as well. Just click on the file and click on print, and the information is as it is. And this information is very effective, especially if you want to apply some kind of filters, some kind of pages hidden, and you want to name it as different reports. Let's say the sales report might be different, the HR report might be different. They might be only interested in employees' names and their departments. The finance report might be different. They might need different information from the same sheet. And you might have a lot of columns where you apply the filter settings as well to customize any particular report. So we can see and save all of these views to easily adjust in future whenever we want. So this is a very time-saving technique in Excel. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.